Good morning, Yuyo. How are you today?
I'm fine, Mom.
So before we start our lesson, please stand up and let's sing the song, My Twos, My Knees. Do you know the song, Yuyo?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, sing with me. My twos, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My twos, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Okay, please take your seat. We will not finish our song since we have a limited time. So based on the song, what do you think is our lesson for today?
Body parts.
Correct. Our objective for today is, at the end of the discussion, the students will be able to expand her or his vocabulary, identify and define some parts of the human body. So I have here an illustration of a boy with different body parts. So the first body part that we will define is called the head. What is it called again?
Head.
Correct. The head is the upper part of our body. The next one is called the ear. The ears are the organs in our body that enables us to hear. How many are your ears, Yoyo?
2.
Correct. You have 2 ears. The next one is called the eyes. The eyes are the pair of organs in our body that we use for seeing. And the fourth one is called the nose. The nose is used for?
Smelling.
Correct. The nose is used for smelling and breathing. And the fifth and sixth one is called the mouth and the teeth. The mouth is found in the lower part of our face, and we use it for speaking and eating. Where is your mouth, Yoyo?
Here.
Correct. On the other hand, the teeth are found inside our mouth, and we use it for biting and chewing. Here's our teeth. And the last 2 ones are called the hands and feet. Here is our feet and here is our hands. The hands are the parts of our body that we use for holding and touching, while the feet are the parts of the body which a person uses to stand and move. So to summarize our lesson, we had defined some vocabulary related to some parts of the human body. So do you have any question, Yuyo?
No.
So if you don't have any question, I want you to come here and encircle some parts of the human body. Correct! Excellent! Okay, that's all. Let's end our discussion for today. Goodbye, Yoyo! As we all know, vocabulary instruction is the expansion of a student's word knowledge. The objective of my lesson in this teaching demonstration was to broaden my students' vocabulary by defining some human body parts, and the strategies that I used were through pictures, fan songs, and an activity. I had picked these techniques because I believe that these are effective methods for developing a child's emerging literacy skills. So, how did I use these strategies to help students develop higher order and creative thinking skills? Well, first, I began my class with a fan song to energize my student. Then I introduced the definition of some body parts of the human body using pictures to help my learner quickly familiarize with it. Lastly, I assign a short activity that enables my student to use critical thinking skills. To summarize, vocabulary plays a vital role in teaching and reading. My teaching strategies, I believe, are excellent method for increasing students' vocabulary because it is captivating yet at the same time helps improve reading comprehension of learners.